Hi everyone, this is Manzur. Today I am doing web research and data mining work for my client, and I am doing some work for him. This is the sample of work. How can I do it? I am the client want to the property value 2023, so I am doing this. First of all, I have to go the new search tab, and there is common the new search APN number I have to collect, and which is given by my client. I'm searching and parcel details, and then I have to go property value. This is the most, this is the final work for the client. I have to calculate the property value for my client, and this is how I'm doing this work. Thank you.